Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my second video which today I'm here because I am going to share my experience of cabin crew interview with Indigo Airlines. Yes guys, I went for my first interview. The venue is it in Lucknow location. I am also from Lucknow, so the venue name is the Regnant Hotel, which I had to go. So just I went there for the first attempt. So basically I did not have much idea of how the interview is going on, what are the questions might be asked. Yes, I know about the common questions. Tell me about yourself, why should we hire you, why do you want to become a cabin crew, and mostly the people's aware about these questions only. So guys, we went there and the timing was on that time 9 to 2 p.m. So I just reached, I think I just reached the venue. It's not too much far. So I just went for the venue, I think 8:30 p.m. So the interview might be start at 9 a.m. So I just went there and I reached and I saw a lots of girls who were waiting before than me. I think the girls was waiting since 7 a.m. or since 8 a.m. before the interview starts. So when I reached there, so I think 300 the girls who were waiting. Okay, so I was totally shocked and I did not aware about the interview. So then the HR came to us and HR came, and the first round was the GD round. So and like that was a hall in the hotel, so we were groomed ourselves properly because I am not perfect to grooming myself. I am not aware how to groom properly. So basically I'm one of my friend, her name was Priya, so she groomed me for the interview and she already went to the venue. So I reached here, I took it the help of her. Then we were ready for the interview and we went to the hall when the HR was sitting, and I think the two HR was sitting in next to each other, and the first one HR with sitting the first one HR was sitting with 10 girls, and the second one HR was sitting other 10 girls. So they were just like that was the first round was a GD round. So yeah, so we were like the everyone was rejected, and everyone was scared about the interview, what the questions HR is going to ask. So when whoever the rejected on that time, we what we do, we just go to the people the who has completed the his who has completed the interview and who got rejected. We just ask the questions from that people's. Okay, what the HR question, what are the questions HR, what are the question asked by the HR from you. So they were just why should we hire you, they were telling to me why should we hire you, why do you want to become a cabin crew, why do you want to aviation. So after completing these things, then the HR came to us and she was announcing, okay, you should not be aware for the questions because we are not going to ask the same questions to each and everyone. So you should be ready for the random questions, and we always everyone should be keep smile on your face, so it will be creates a good impact. So these kind of things the HR was telling to us, you don't need to ask any question who got rejected because we are not going to ask same questions. So we are also got scared okay, what the questions might be asked. So when the turn of mine, so one of my 2 or 3 friends, we went there. So we went to the HR and we were sat over there. So then the HR collected the CV and Then she called the name, started to calling the name, and then my name, I think I was in 5th number, so she called me. Okay, who is the Soumya Rastogi? So I just, ma'am, okay ma'am, this is my name, I'm Soumya Rastogi. So I'm also working as a HR executive. So she asked a question about from my resume. She put the questions from my resume. Soumya, you are working as a HR executive, why do you want to join aviation industry? So I just told to her, ma'am, I want to aviation industry because of my passion, because of my skills, qualities, which always push me to come in this role. So these kind of things I just told her. And so we were completed that round, and then she just told us, okay, you can go, you can leave for the day, ladies. Okay ladies, thank you so much, you can leave for the day. So we just thought, okay, we got rejected. So guys, this was our first round, and second one was BMI, but if I couldn't be able to give the BMI round because I got rejected. So this was all about me, guys. That was my first attempt, and I'm not feel unhappy. Because every steps you take you up in level. So keep it up and try to improve your skills, improve your communication skills, improve your English skills. So it will be really help you out, and I'm also improving myself what I need to be say. And don't be scared in front of the interviewer, because interviewer is also a human being. So try to be confident, try to be keep smile on your face, and whatever you have prepared, they just check your communication skills, they just check your English level, that's it. It doesn't matter what you are giving the answer matter. It's just matter how you are speaking, what's your bad body language, and what's your skills, qualities, why do you want to become a cabin crew. So these are the things. So that's all about me. Thank you so much, guys. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe and do like and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys.